Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to effectively use Mention.ai for automating your email outreach for your blog. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, Mention.ai can be a game changer in helping you connect with the people and companies you've mentioned in your posts. So, why should you consider using Mention.ai? Let's break it down. First off, it's simple yet powerful. By automating your outreach campaigns, you can see significant results. If you're not already reaching out to those you mention in your content, now's the time to start. Secondly, it's all about automation. Mention.ai takes the tedious tasks out of the equation, like hunting down contact information and drafting individual emails. Instead, it streamlines the process, saving you valuable time and effort. But it's not just about efficiency, it's also about building relationships. When you mention individuals and their companies in your blog posts, you're not only acknowledging their work, but also opening up opportunities for connection and collaboration. And let's not forget about brand awareness. By reaching out to those you mention, you're not only expanding your network, but also increasing your visibility. This can lead to more referrals and ultimately, more growth for your company. Plus, there's the added bonus of building backlinks. When you mention someone in your post, they're more likely to share it with their own audience. This not only drives traffic back to your site, but also improves your SEO. And finally, Mention.ai saves you time. No more hours wasted on manual tasks, simply set up your campaign and let Mention.ai do the rest. So, how do you get started? It's easy. Step 1. Once you've published a new blog post, Mention.ai will automatically scan it for contacts and companies you've mentioned. Step 2. Confirm the mentions and make any necessary adjustments. Step 3. Start your campaign and watch as Mention.ai works its magic. Ready to take your outreach to the next level? Sign up now and start connecting with new contacts today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.